The trapezoidal roof roll forming machine can produce different types of metal roofing sheets. This trapezoidal roof tile making machine can work both automatically and manually. Trapezoidal roofing sheet machine consists of decoiler, feeding table, roll forming, hydraulic cutting system and goods table. The trapezoidal sheet roof wall panel machine can produce various of steel roofing cladding sheets and side claddings. Its neat external appearance, even ripples, high utilization and strong strength, can meet the needs of customers.